Hello, my name is David Isamujo. Welcome to another daily video. This is a Canva t-shirt design video. As you can see, I release video every single day. Every single day. We can see the channel is up, episode 32 already. So please, if you want to learn how to create Canva t-shirt design, and you're on this video to learn how to create Canva t-shirt design for sure, and you seriously want to learn, please watch this video to the very end. And when you're done watching this video, please come back to the videos and watch many others. You can see we have so many others in the series. You can just scroll and just watch as much as you want. A lot of tutorials to watch. You can just scroll and watch. So without wasting much of your time, let's go straight right to today's video. So in today's video, as you guys already said, we're going to be using canva.com, so the Canva t-shirt design tutorial. So I'm opening Canva. So Canva is an online app, as you guys already know. You guys have been following me. Thanks to my customers, I really appreciate you guys. To my subscribers, I really appreciate you guys. My subscribers, I really appreciate you guys. You guys have been good to me. I really appreciate you. Please, if you are watching this video for the first time or you're watching for the second time and you've not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, turn the red subscribe button gray, and turn on your bell notification so that you don't miss daily videos. So without wasting much of your time, let's get straight right to it. I hope you're still watching me. Don't click off, watch at the end so that you can learn something new. So I'll click on create design, custom dimension. The standard is 4500 by 5400 pixel, not inches, pixel. Create new design. We'll just wait for this to load. It loads a Canva or a layer, as you may call it, depending on which you prefer to call it. So it just loads up. So now we'll come to upload an image or video. Then I'll just look for my design, mute. This is it. It's a simple design, but you will not believe these designs do sell. The simpler designs sell more. So you can see it's going to be uploading here. I did this design myself. As you can see, I'm a Photoshop person. I can use Photoshop, so I did this design myself. As you can see, I can off every part of it, every part of the design. So sure, I did it myself. So it's super easy. You can design yourself. You can buy designs, or better still, you can go to a site like freepik.com. Let me show you the site, freepik.com. I'll talk about that at the end of this video, or close to the end of this video, so I don't just want to waste your time on this. So just, you see it has uploaded, so all I have to do is to click on it, and it's going to appear here. As you can see, it's going to appear here. So now the next step would be for me to center it. As you can see, there's a guide, the lines and all, those are guides. So now I have that in the middle. The next step is for me to put in my text. So with this, I'm going to just find a basic text. Just find a basic good text, a standard text. I'll just find one that is good, easy to see, easy to read, but at the same time classy. So I'll just keep scrolling until I find something cool like this. You can see it's quite small, so to increase it, all I'll do is over my mouse to this edge, left click and drag my mouse outwards and main. So as you can see, all I had to do was to left click and drag my mouse outward. So now you can see it's grouped. Yes, so another text up that say I'll be happy. So we are going to ungroup that, click outside, click on this and delete this. Then you double tap on this to highlight it, double tap. So for this I'm going to put muted. So just put on mute. So like this, I'll increase it a bit again. So just come and try to center it in the middle, as you can see. So just do muted. muted, and I'll center it in the middle. So now I'm gonna do something. I'm just gonna try and duplicate this layer. So to do that, I did my control A, and I dragged it down to duplicate the layer. So this first layer, now I'm gonna make it a different color. So I'm just gonna make it, let's say, okay, a red. This will be, I think I can just leave it as the way it is. Just drag it down a little. Here. I can just drag this down, make this bigger a little. So I'll do my control here. So now position this. Okay, then I'll come over to this one and make it bigger to a little. Just move it over to this. Move it over. So we have it as muted. So basically that's it. So the next step will be for me to save this. As you can see, I'm using a trial version. So I open the trial version, and you can download with transparent background. It's going to ask you to get the pro version. So if you want the pro version, let me know in the comment. I will send you the link for the pro version. You get a 1 month free pro version on me. You can use that to download, to design a lot for a full month. Then you pay for your next month, so you have 30 days free. So if you need that, just let me know in the comments. So for this one, I'll just download. You can see it's preparing the downloads. So once it's done downloading, it's going to, as you can see, downloaded here. So now if I just go show folder, this is my download, as you can see. So the next step, for those who have the time and you know you can use Photoshop a bit, this step is for you. You can use this step to remove the background. So I'll just open in Photoshop. That's why I always say you should watch this video. Some people might have clicked out of this video, they will miss this part. But for you who are still watching, I'll say thank you. Thanks for watching to this part. Please subscribe, like the video, and let's continue. So now I'll just come to this folded paper. If I click on it, create a new layer. As you can see, I'll just click back on my design layer. I'll come to Magic Word 2, Photoshop. Now just click on the white, then delete on my keyboard, press delete. That's deleted. I'll just delete all the whites because I want the eyes to have a different color on a different shirt. That's the effect I wanted to create. So I'll just delete all the whites. As you can see, the D has a white too, so I'll delete it. Also this back, I'll delete it. I think that's all. So now I'll just save it. Just save it as muted. I'll save it as PNG. So muted PNG. Now save it as that. So now the most important step for those who want to sell on Instagram, you want to promote your t-shirt design on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest. Very soon I'll come out with a course on how to do this in a very well packaged course. It's going to be super cheap anyway. So I'll come up with a way to promote this on all social medias, the most important social media way to get sales. So now for this, I'll just come over to pictures again, mockup, female mockup. As you can see, this is the mockup I've used in my past 3 videos or 2 videos. I think it's 3. I got it from freepik.com. Always give credit to freepik.com. It's a free mockup you can use, so always give credit. So it's from freepik.com. So now I'll just come over, I'll click on this, right click, and I'll just come to design here, double tap, on this box, delete this design here, just delete that and bring in my own design. So my own design, come to pictures, okay, my design is not showing here, it's supposed to show. So just go back and make sure I saved it. Just save it as PNG. Save it. You can see saving. So now it's saved. So now I can go to this and just look for it here. Don't know what's going on. Not finding it, so delete this. Can't seem to find it. I don't really know what's going on, except I'm saving it in the wrong place. Go to downloads. Yeah, I was saving it in the wrong place, so I'll just come here and drag it in. Please watch it to the end if you want to learn and make money from Redbubble doing this. So I'll just reduce this. As you can see, it's quite big and it's going to be super big on our shirt. If I leave it like this, let me show you that it will be quite big. So I'll just click on save. If I go back to my shirt, you can see it's not super big though. It's not super big, but I want to expand it a little, so I'll do Ctrl T and just expand this edge. Okay, then I'll save it again, and when I go back, it should be on my shirt. As you can see, now you can see the effect I was trying to make. So now if I place it on a blue shirt, it gives me the blue eyes and blue tape effect. If I place it on a different color shirt, it's going to change that. You can see. So I'll just leave it on a blue shirt, then I'll save that. And now you can use it on Instagram or whatever. Just muted full. So now just save it as PNG, and that's it. Please, if you can click to your right to watch the playlist, please follow the playlist, watch the playlist to the end, and you'll be super good in making Canva t-shirt design that sell on Redbubble. Now the next step for you to do is to carry your design, just your design alone, and upload it on Redbubble, put in your tags and all your description, and everything will be fine. So just click the tag to the left, sorry, to your right, the playlist to your right, and watch other videos. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow's video. Have a nice day.